Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll discuss about the sixth important formula of Microsoft Excel. The formula are given right, left, mid, uppercase, lowercase, and the proper case. So one by one I will apply. Before going to applying the formula, I'm writing a name. The server alarm person. Okay. I've written a name. This one. So I'm applying the right formula. So equal is first, then write Ri. Press the tab on the keyboard. Then the text is selecting. Then comma. From right side, I'm taking the seven characters. I'm the seven correct number and characters. The seven. So then bracket. Then enter. Now see, here are the six characters, but I have taken the one space. That's why the first is total is given. After that, I'm applying the left side. So equal left, press the tab from the keyboard, then select the text, comma, and taking the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number is taken without a space, bracket, and enter. Now see, the left side is taken. Now I'm taking the middle one. So I'm taking the middle one, press MID mid, bracket, then text is selected. I'm starting, then the start from where you want to start. I want to start from first comma, then I want to start from 7 character 7 comma. I want to take the 4 or 5. I'm taking the 5 characters. So then bracket enter. Now see alarm. The cursor is the right, server is the left, and alarm is the middle. So right it's found out by using the right functions, left functions, and the middle functions. And I want to apply the uppercase. So equal sign is applying here, and upper is showing, so tab, then text. I am taking this one and the Muhammad is set, then bracket enter. This one is the uppercase. Here is the uppercase. I am taking the Muhammad is set. So now I am applying the lowercase equal LOW. Your lower is showing. So tab, then taking this text, bracket, enter. Now this one is the lowercase. After that, I want to show the proper case. So I'm applying here equal PRO P proper is showing the tab, then text. I'm taking this one, bracket, enter. Now Muhammad is saying this one is the proper case. This one is the same. So I think got it everybody how to apply the right, left, mid, uppercase, lowercase, and proper case. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. And press the bell icon to get the new videos. Thank you everybody.